Welcome to the Missouri Department of Revenue's tutorial on how to create a MyTax Missouri account. During this video, we will show you how to create a MyTax Missouri account for your individual income taxes. To start, visit mytax.mo.gov and select Create an Account. In the MyTax Missouri Registration pop-up box, you will select the Administrator for My Individual Accounts button. This page will show you the MyTax Missouri Usage Terms. After you have read through the terms, select the I agree to the above terms and conditions box, along with the I am not a robot checkbox, and then select Next. Enter your user information such as your first and last name, proposed user ID, phone number, and your email address. Then you will select Next. You will select Yes on this screen, and you will be authorized to register yourself as the customer. You will receive a confirmation number and an email with instructions on how to log on and access your MyTax Missouri account. In the email, you will be provided with a temporary password. The temporary password must be manually entered. It cannot be copied or pasted. Upon logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to change your password. On the MyTax Missouri login screen, you will input your user ID that was created, along with the temporary password that was provided to you in your registration confirmation email. You will then be asked to select and answer 3 security questions. These questions will be used for security verification. Once completed, select Save. You will then be prompted to change your password. New passwords will need to be a minimum of 15 characters long and contain at least 3 of the following elements: uppercase letters, numbers, special characters, and lowercase letters. Please note that the new password may not contain the user's account name or parts of the user's full name that exceed 2 consecutive characters. Once you are finished, select Save. Once you have created your account, you will need to log in using the new user ID and password that you created. Upon logging in, you will see a box that says Complete your MyTax Missouri account. There you will find a hyperlink that states Manage Accounts. Select this hyperlink to proceed to the next page. You will then see a screen that gives you 4 different options to choose from. You will need to choose the second option that states, I would like to request access to my account using information from my most recently filed Form MO-1040, MO-1040A, or MO-1040P. Once you have chosen that option, select Next. Input the required information, which includes your Social Security number, filing status, federal adjusted gross income, zip code, and your refund or balance due amount. This is the information that is shown on the most recent return that has been filed with the department. Please note, when you are inputting your federal adjusted gross income, that you are only inputting the federal adjusted gross income for the Social Security number of the account that is being created. If you file jointly, you will only report the federal adjusted gross income shown under U. Upon completing this step, you will receive a red banner stating that a 10-digit personal identification number, or PIN, will be mailed out to your address. Please note, make sure that your current address is on file with the department. Once you have received your 10-digit personal identification number, or PIN, log in and choose the option that states, I have received my 10-digit personal identification number in the mail and would like to complete my account setup. Note, this is not the 4-digit PIN on the billing notices. Once you have chosen that option, select Next. Input your Social Security number and 10-digit PIN. Select Next to finish your account setup. Once you have completed all steps, you will then log in and be able to view your individual income tax accounts. Please note, your MyTax portal password will need to be updated every 90 days. If this does not happen, you will be locked out of your account. Thank you for watching this tutorial from the Missouri Department of Revenue.